Howdy, this is Karen from Karen Dawn Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to use the magic link to connect things such as people, patterns, or projects to a forum post on Ravelry. A magic link is basically a quick way to connect a pattern, person, yarn, project, group, or book to a forum post. And you can see that list right here. Oops, highlighting. You can see that list right here of the types of things that you can magic link. So this actually shows you exactly what to type to be able to magic link something. So if you want to magic link a pattern, then you use square brackets for the name of the pattern, and then in parentheses, you type the word pattern. If you want to magic link a person, where they get a notification in their Ravelry messages that they have been connected to a post, then again, use square brackets, type in their Ravelry name, and in parentheses, use the word person, and so on for each of these. There is also kind of a quicker way even to magic link something. So if you type an open square bracket and then start typing anything, the name of a person, pattern, group, anything that you start typing, it will try to match up options in Ravelry. So I'm actually going to use my username, Karen Dawn, and notice that I have a few options. Karen Dawn the person, Karen Dawn Designs, the source, and Karen Dawn Designs / roundtable, is actually yarns, the group. So I can magic link any of these types of things. If I magic link a person, then this person is going to get a message that says you have been magic linked in the forum. So this is how to get the attention of a particular person. If you just want to create a link so that other people can easily find something, then that is where a source or a group or not in this list, but a pattern would be useful. So let's go ahead and choose person. So if I click that, Ravelry again is going to add this code. It looks a little bit different from what you see up here, but it's the same purpose. In fact, if I go here and say Karen Dawn, and I actually close bracket, and I actually type in person, these two things will do the same, have the same effect. So this is the way to do it if you are manually typing in the brackets and the parentheses and the name, and this is how it will be formatted if you are using that kind of automatic. So again, type in something and pick something automatically. Just to show you some differences, I also am going to magic link to this source so you can see that, and you can either click preview and you'll see that all of these show up as links. And then I can click post reply to actually make these. So when you are magic linking a person, because it is going to notify that person, Ravelry gives you one more check just to make sure you're getting the right person. There are people that have very similar usernames, and so this is a way of being able to get a little more information to make sure you indeed have the right person. So you'll see their profile picture, where they're located, and their first name. So if this is the right person, you have the little button selected right there, and then you can click post message. If this is not the right person, you can go back up and check to make sure, okay, well, maybe this was supposed to be Karen Dawn 1. I have no idea if that person exists, but let's say it is. Then you can type in Karen Dawn 1 and go down here and say, let's recheck those links. Actually, it is this one down here that I typed in manually that is asking about. So Karen Dawn 1, and let's just recheck our links. And it says, basically, there is no such person as Karen Dawn 1. So now I can say, okay, that's really not it. Recheck the links. There you are. There it is again. Yes, actually, that is the correct person. So again, select that and click post message. And now, if I scroll up, this has magic linked me. Basically, I magic linked myself twice, once using that kind of automatic magic linking and once using a manual magic linking. Ultimately, it has the same exact effect. And then down here, I have magic linked basically a source. So if I click on the this one, it will take you to the link for the source. So this is basically all of my patterns that I've designed. If this were a specific pattern that you had magic linked, it would take you to the pattern. If this were a group that I had magic linked, it would take me to the group. So whichever thing you are magic linking, it will take you to that. Let me refresh this to get back. Okay. The person will actually magic link to the person's profile, so you can see that. It looks like I have not gotten a notification that I have been magic linked. Usually you see in your mail, I know that I had these two messages before. So usually you would get in your Ravelry mail a link that you have been basically called over to a forum post. I'm assuming since I was magic linking myself, I did not get one of those. But anyway, but that is what it looks like when you are actually posting. And then if you have been magic linked, you will get an email or you will get a Ravelry message, and then it will give you a link to go over to which post you were actually linked in. So sorry, I'm not able to show you right now the other side of what happens when you have been magic linked, when you have been, it's called earburned. So when someone says, you need, please earburn me, then this is what they mean. They mean they want to be magic linked, and they will get a notification. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me on Ravelry. I am Karen Dawn. Thanks, and happy knitting.